go to, we're going to do best dressed. So yeah, we'll be there in a minute. So we're here, blah, blah, blah. I'm a really, really bad dresser. So. By the way, it's dressed up the scariest if you can't see. So yeah, this video is going to be sort of long. I don't really know how long, but it's going to be long, Okay, Matthew, vote for me. Okay. Hi guys, Matthew is joining our video. Which one are you, Matthew? I'm in the corner. I'm this corner. Which one are you? I'm on the bottom. On the top. Wow. That's the right here is me, and that's my brother down there. Wow, 4 votes. I bet you guys probably got like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I bet somebody's got like 9 votes. Matthew, you did really good. Okay. Guys, I'll be back after I'm done. Dress up the brightest. Next is the most magical. We'll be back and show you it. Okay, I'll show you what I look like. I'm right here. I'm not really magical. So yeah, and here are the scores. And yeah, and the next one is we dressed up the weirdest. We'll be back and I'll show you my style. So here's my style for the weirdest. Me and my brother, by the way, this is my brother. We both got second. And here are the scores. Dress up the cleanest. This is going to be the end of my video. Bye.